Hello, my name is Eleonora Eliades. I'm going to be performing a monologue by Anton Chekhov, the Seagull, and I'm going to be playing the part of Nina. Why do you say that you have kissed the ground I walked on? You should kill me, rather. I am so tired. If only I could rest. Rest. I'm Seagull. No. I'm an actress. He's there too. I don't know. No matter. He does not believe in the theater. He used to laugh at my dreams, so that little by little I became downhearted and ceased to believe in it too. Then came the cares of love. The continual anxiety about my little one. So that I soon grew trivial and spiritless and played my parts without meaning. I never knew what to do with my hands. I couldn't walk properly or control my voice. You cannot imagine the state of mind of one who goes through a play, how terribly badly he's acting. What was I saying? Yes, the stage. I have changed now. Now I'm a real actress. I act with joy, with exaltation. I'm intoxicated by it. And I feel that I am superb. I understand at last, Constantine, that for us, whether we write or act, it is not the honor and glory of what I have dreamed that is important. It is the strength to endure